Welcome the students of EC department, third year, second year. In the morning class, I will teach you. I have taught you the parallel circuit resonance, how to calculate the parallel circuit resonance, resonance frequency, bandwidth, half power frequency, quality factor. Then one problem, then one extra circuit. We have found out the resonance frequency of that circuit. It was R resistance and inductance in series and capacitance with parallel. We have found out the resonance frequency of that circuit. Now we have another circuit. I am going to teach you another circuit. It is a parallel circuit. The circuit consists of 4 elements. The circuit has 4 elements. One resistor is in series with one inductor. Another resistor, it is series with one capacitor, and these two series combination are parallel to each other. So RL in series, RC in series, and RL and RC both are in parallel. They are connected with an AC. They are connected with the AC source. Now it's your aim is to find out the frequency, resonance frequency. So because they are parallel circuit, because it's a parallel circuit, you have to find out the admittance of the circuit. Admittance of the circuit. Admittance is Y is equal to 1 by R plus JXL plus 1 by R minus JXC. So this is your admittance, 1 by R plus JXL plus 1 by R minus JXC. So because R and resistance and inductance both are in series, resistance and capacitance both are in series, but these two combinations are in parallel with each other. Now, in case of one, now in the first case, multiply the denominator and numerator both with R minus JXL. It will become R minus JXL divided by R square plus XL square. Now in case of second case, multiply numerator and denominator with both R plus JXC. So it will be R plus JXC divided by R square plus XC square. Now please separate the imaginary term and the real term from each other. Separate the imaginary term and real term from each other. That is R1 divided by R1 square plus XL square plus R2 divided by R2 square plus XC square. So and this is real term. Imaginary term is imaginary term consists of J. Imaginary term consists of J. Imaginary term is J within bracket XC divided by R2 square plus XC square minus XL divided by R1 square plus XL square. Now, in case of resonance, this imaginary term will become 0. It is XC divided by R2 square plus XC square is equal to XL divided by R1 square plus XL square. So, XC is equal to 1 by omega. XC is equal to 1 by omega C. XL is equal to omega L. So, it is in the second line it will be 1 by R2 square plus 1 by R2 square plus 1 by R2 square plus 1 by omega square C square is equal to omega square LC is equal to divided by R1 square plus omega square L square. So now in the third line it will be omega square C square divided by 1 plus R2 square omega square C square is equal to omega square LC divided by R square plus omega square L square. Omega square cancel out, C will be cancel out. C will cancel out each other. Omega square will cancel out each other. So L by C. So your result is R1 square plus omega square L square equal to L by C into within bracket 1 plus R2 square omega square C square. Now separate. Now you take the L by C in LHS. L by C term to LHS. Bring the L by C term in LHS and bring the omega square L square term to RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So it will be R1 square minus L by C is equal to R2 square omega square LC minus omega square L square. Now take omega square LC common from RHS. it will be R1 square by minus L by C is equal to omega square LC within bracket R2 square minus L by C. Now your final answer is omega square equal to 1 by LC into within bracket R1 square minus L by C divided by R2 square divided by R2 square divided by R2 square minus L by C divided by R2 square minus L by C. So omega 0, your resonance frequency equal to 1 by root LC within bracket R1 square minus L by C divided by R2 square minus L by C whole to the power half. So your final resonance frequency is 1 by root LC within bracket L by C minus R1 square divided by L by C minus R2 square whole to the power half. So this is called this is the omega value of omega 0 or the angular omega 0 is radian per second. It is the angular frequency of the resonance frequency of the given circuit. Remember, in all the cases I have displayed you two circuits till now, two extra circuit apart from the normal parallel circuits. Remember, in all the cases, if you want to calculate the resonance frequency for a parallel circuit, you must find out the admittance of the circuit and separate the real term and imaginary term from the admittance, and separate the real term and the imaginary term from the admittance, and imaginary term must be 0 because R in case of a series circuit, impedance is impedance Z is R plus J XL minus XC. So this part is 0, imaginary part is 0, like that. In case of a parallel circuit, admittance is 1 by R plus 1 by JXL minus JXC. Plus J omega C, JXC. So this term is your series. This term is dedicated for series, and this is the term dedicated for parallel. So this is the way you should think about. Separate the imaginary term from the real term, and imaginary term will be 0. That means you will get your resonance frequency. From the imaginary term calculation, you will get your resonance frequency like this, in this way. Now if you have any question regarding the resonance circuit, you can contact me directly.